Friends, have you come across this viral message saying that from now on till August 22nd, 2025, Earth will experience something called the Alphelian event, it seems, and this will cause extreme cold, fever, cough, and breathing problems. Actually, it is very interesting to check the truth behind this claim. So this video is going to be a very interesting and a short video. So please watch this video till the end to know about this interesting fact, which will also be very much useful for your CET exams like Karnataka TET, HSTR, GPSTR, CRISE and other government exams related to the government recruitments. Okay. Actually, this post is not a new post. This was also viral in 2022 in July, I think. So this was viral on various social media platforms and it was claiming the same thing. See, first of all, the word Alphelian, it doesn't exist in science at all. The correct term is aphelion, and along with this there is another term, perihelion. This aphelion is when the earth is farthest from the sun, as you can see in the picture here, and perihelion is when earth is closest to the sun. Aphelion happens every year around July 4th when earth is about 152 million kilometers away from the sun. And perihelion happens every year around January 3rd at about 147 million kilometers. So the difference between aphelion and perihelion is just about 3%, not 66% as claimed in that viral post. And this small change, which is 3% in the distance, should not affect health or it should not cause any disease to humans, right? Actually, our seasons are controlled by the earth's tilt, not by the distance from the sun. That is the fact we should understand. Now, most important thing, which as teachers and learners, we should not believe in rumors. Always cross-check information before sharing it or forwarding it, because if you don't cross-check, it is like you are trusting the fake news blindly without any authentic proof or without any scientific reasoning. Because as teachers, you have reached at this point wherein you should have thorough logical reasoning behind any information you have, right? Actually, this habit of verifying facts will not only keep you away from all the wrong information, but it will also help you in your competitive exams. Right, their scientific accuracy is very important in your CET exams like HSTR, GPSTR, TET, CRISE and all the government recruitment exams which you are preparing for, right? Also, here in the figure you can see that there are two more terms known as perigee and apogee. See, perigee means it is the point in the moon's orbit when it is closest to the earth. It is about 3,56,500 kilometers, and apogee means the point in the moon's orbit when it is farthest from the earth. That is about 4,06,700 kilometers. So this is the fact actually. So next time you receive such a forward on WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook or Twitter or X, you need to pause and check the facts first. Now let us take this opportunity and know two important multiple choice questions which can be asked in an exam either in GK part or in physics part, because it comes under astronomy, right? What could be the questions asked from this part? Like for example, this could be one question. The point in Earth's orbit where it is farthest from the sun is called. Now tell me what is the answer to this? We have discussed in this video, right? It is aphelion. They can ask another question like this also. The term perigee refers to, it is related to moon and the earth, right? Aphelion and perihelion were related to sun and the earth, whereas apogee and perigee are related to moon and the earth. So the term perigee refers to the moon closest to earth. Okay, so you can make more multiple choice questions like this based on the discussion we have done in this video. So friends, you need to keep an eye on these type of news also, because this will come under all the types of GKs actually. There are many news circulating which are true also, which are false also. You have to cross check, and this will keep you updated also, and this will remain in your memory also. You never know if any question comes from this news or any question comes from our discussion in our Telegram group or in WhatsApp channel or in this YouTube channel of Unfog with Dr. Athar Parveen. You never know. Something may have stored in your memory, and on the exam day, when you're writing the exam, it may just pop up in your mind and give you one extra mark. Okay? So, we really hope that this discussion helps you. Thank you. All the best. Bye.